Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing the Ariana Grande 7 rings hair tutorial, which you'll need some straighteners, dry shampoo, bobby pins and some hairspray. So I've already straightened my hair, now we just need to brush it and get that middle part in if you haven't already. Then we're going to go in with some dry shampoo just to give it that bit of texture. Don't spray it in your mouth though, like I just done. It's not nice. We're then going to take quarter sections and just tie it up with little pigtails. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. After you've got your little pigtails, you're then going to take the first one and just literally wrap it round itself to make that little space bun. The good thing about this, in my opinion, is you don't really have to be too neat with it. You can just play around with it, tweak it a bit, but you are going to need a lot of little bobby pins just to pin everything into place. Again, we're going to do the exact same thing for the other side. And when you tweaked it around a bit and you're happy with your final finished product, just spray it with some hairspray and there you have it. A little Ariana Grande inspired look. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!